Good afternoon, everybody. This is Terry O'Keefe. Just giving you a quick tour of how to get into and access your resources in Canvas. This is for, in particular, the math teachers, but it's applicable to pretty much anybody who's teaching using the Canvas LMS. So type in MyDo Virtual Charter Academy. Click on the first link. It will bring you to this site. Across the top, you will see Canvas. So click on the Canvas link. And once you click on the Canvas link, it will bring you to this site this page where there's a student login and a staff login. Okay, click on the staff login, and it will ask you for your email address. So you enter all that good information. Takes you to what's called the dashboard. Okay, and the dashboard is accessible on this left-hand side where it says dashboard. And these are the courses that are applicable to you or that you have access to that have been pushed out to you, so on. So PUHSD Integrated Math 2, click on that link. It will take you to the home page. So this, again, navigation sidebar over here has got a wealth of resources, most of which are turned off or not published. So the eyeball with the slash through it, which is kind of a gruesome thought, is not published, meaning students will not see that. So what's published and viewable for students is modules, a link for Mastery Connect, grades, syllabus, and settings. Now over here on the right-hand side, you'll see a student view. So if you make any modifications to your Canvas site and you want to see what the students see, it's pretty handy. It's the student view. So this is a home page. It's got a link to the standards for Integrated Math 2, California Common Core State Standards. Beautiful picture of our own Lake Tahoe. There's a link for modules, a syllabus link, and then all the handouts and worksheets and resources above and beyond what's presented in the modules are on this link. And then a quick overview of what the course is about, a little description. So if you click on either this modules link on the left or this modules link below the picture, it will take you to the modules page. The modules are synonymous in this case with units or chunks of understanding, I guess, the different units. And we've been asked to put a timeline together. So there's a timeline, basically it's an 18-week course, and so there are 18 different learning modules, including orientation. So if you click on these little these little arrows, it'll drop down and give you a menu of items underneath, some of which are pages, some are assignments, majority are pages. So let's take an example here. If I go to Unit 2, say I'm well into the course and we're rolling along, there's an overview for each unit. Okay, let's just quickly take a quick peek at that unit, which opens a page. So you'll notice on the left-hand side here, the link went from highlighting modules down to pages. That's because we've accessed a page from a module, if that makes sense. So there's a little bit of an overview. I'm just going to hit the back button so I can get back to the modules. So if you notice, like Canvas takes a second to kind of reset itself. In Unit 2, I've opened the drop-down menu. There's an overview. There's a bunch of notes, video notes, along with practices in those video notes. A lot of them from Khan Academy. And then there's a actual practice section where you can either turn in work or some of it's interactive. And then there's a place to submit an assignment and you can adjust the point value and the due dates, whatnot, and students can turn in work under this link. There's a section on quizzes, should you want a quiz. And then there's a unit assessment, formative unit assessment. Should be noted that the unit assessments are on Mastery Connect, and there's a PDF file version of each assessment that is unpublished, meaning students cannot see that. So I would suggest maybe not publishing that, so the students, there's some security with your tests. So that's how you get into Canvas and access the modules from either the navigation bar on the left or from the home page for Integrated Math 2.